Today we're going to solve a problem by using the power rule. Y equals 6 square root of x cubed minus 3 over 4x squared plus 5x cubed over 6. First, we need to eliminate the radical, which would become 6x 3 over 2. In this term, we can't have an exponent in the denominator, so we would make it negative, and this term would stay the same. Now we are going to start using the power rule, which means that you keep the constant out of the parentheses, and inside you would put the exponent times x, which is the variable, and the exponent again minus 1. And you'll repeat that process with each term.
Okay, so now we have to multiply each term. We're gonna start with 6 times 3 over 2, which is 6 times 3 over 2. It's equal to 9, so it's 9x. Now we have to subtract 3 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 1/2, so 1/2. Now we have to multiply these. So it's 3 over 4 times negative 2 is equal to 3 over 2 x. Negative 2 minus 1 is equal to negative 3 plus 5 over 6 times 3, 5 over 2, x, 3 minus 1, 2. Make sure to be careful with the sign. So here it's going to be plus 3 over 2. Now we have to rewrite it. And here we can see that we have a negative number, so we have to put it here next to the 2. So it's 3 over 2x 3 plus, and we leave this the same. Now we have to change this 1/2. How do we change it? By putting a square root plus, and now we just write the answer. And that's it.
We're gonna do this problem by definition. This is our definition. So what we do is first write 2 over, and where there's an x, you write x plus h plus 3 minus the original, which is 2 over x plus 3. Then what you do is common denominator, this times this, this times this, and this times this. So it will be 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus h plus 3. All of that over x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3. Then you multiply this times this, this times this, and the same with this part. So it's gonna go 2x plus 6 minus 2x minus 2h minus 6. All of this over this. Then you're gonna cross out the numbers that you can cross out, which is minus 6, 6, 2x, and minus 2x. Then you'll have minus 2 over this. Then you're gonna do everything over h over 1, because that's what the definition says. Then you'll do tortilla, which is this times this on the top and this times this on the bottom, which will give you minus 2h over h times x plus h plus 3 times x plus 3. Then you can cross out these h's and you will have minus 2 over, also all h's below or above will become an immediate 0. Then you'll have x plus 3 over x plus 3. Since you can multiply this 2, it will become minus 2 over x plus 3 squared. Final answer, and during all your procedure, don't forget to do the derivative notation.